Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today's challenge is stop motion. Now, all you need is a device that can take pictures, some smaller materials, maybe something to create a background or something to create a tripod so that you can take pictures on top of a table. Now, all you have to do is take snippets, little pictures of objects that are slightly moving. So, once you take a picture, you're going to move your objects a little bit. Take another picture, move the objects again, and take a picture. You're going to continue that process and take several pictures of the objects that have moved slightly. Then you're going to use your pictures and you're going to put them together in like a slideshow. You could put them on PowerPoint, you could put them in a camera film roll slideshow, whatever technology is available to you. You just put them together and then make them show quickly, like 1 second at a time, really quickly go through, and it'll look like the objects are moving. And then you can create a story like that. So suddenly they're characters in a story that you can make. Or you can try to tell a message. You could use crayons to write out a letter, a word, or whatever you want to try. You got to experiment and see what you can come up with. We're excited to see what you do. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.